The second generation AirTags just launched, with what Apple claims is a louder speaker, increased Bluetooth range, and improved location tracking thanks to an upgraded ultra-wideband chip. So naturally, a pack of 4 found its way to the iFixit teardown table for one of the quickest teardowns I'm likely to do this year. Comparing the first gen to the second gen doesn't reveal much. The lettering on the face changed, but the dimensions of both tags are identical, down to the locking mechanism of the lids. But hey, big thumbs up for those user replaceable batteries. A standard CR2032 is the only replaceable component in the AirTags, and given the simplicity of the device, that's perfectly fine by us. Wouldn't it be nice if AirPods had replaceable batteries like this? Now the trick to getting to the guts is to pry away at the seam where the white plastic meets the grey. There's 3 clips holding the plastic in place, 2 of which I broke trying to open this up. Rumor has it that Apple attempted to tamper-proof the speakers in these tags in an effort to ensure privacy. Muting these things is a popular mod, used both for legitimate and nefarious purposes. That silver pill at the center of the AirTag is the new and improved speaker, and if you look real close, you can see 2 fine wires leading from the speaker coil to the PCB. The easiest way to non-destructively disable that speaker would be to remove the 2 wires with a soldering iron. Now I'm not expecting this to work. I'd imagine Apple's team of crack engineers have already thought of this and incorporated some means of detecting the drop in impedance across the circuitry, or maybe they're using the built-in accelerometer to detect the signature vibrations produced by this tiny speaker across— No, it works! For comparison, this is what a working speaker sounds like next to the altered AirTag. Swing and a miss, Apple. The speaker may be louder, but it's still easy to disable. Let's dig a little bit deeper and pull out that PCB. It's attached to the case by another razor-thin wire leading to the antenna. The PCB itself houses an upgraded nRF52840 system-on-chip for Bluetooth and NFC functionality, while on the other side sits Apple's own U2 ultra-wideband chip that enables localized precision tracking. So you should know that upgraded precision tracking will only work if you're using Find My on an iPhone 15 or newer, so there's no point in rushing out to get a new set of AirTags if your older phone's still kicking. The reverse side of the PCB houses a bunch of passive components, with one notable exception being the MEMS accelerometer in the corner. And that's all there is for this teardown. It may not be fancy, but at least they let us keep replacing the batteries.